All right, the tween animation will be displayed on another activity. So we're going to create another layout file and also Java file. So let me increase the screen size. So let me click project and then right click the mouse button. After I select the app and select new, and then select activity. So let me see. New activity, and then it will be the empty activity. The name I'm going to use, I'm going to call it tween. Tween. And then click finish. So again, you will create the Java source code and also the layout file for us. But then for this layout file, I will just put one image over there. That's all. So let me drag and drop an instance of the image, and then let me center the image. And I will use the board number one here. Board with image number one over here. And then let me see. And then the description of the image. So content description. Let me use the key here. So image description. And then let me see anything else. And then let me just pick a more meaningful name. For the text image view. So let me call it image tween. All right. So the GUI part is really graphical user interface part is pretty simple. For the tween, but then in order to perform the tween animation, then we need to set up another file called a rotation, but then inside a new folder. Inside a new folder. So let's do that. So select the resource. Select new. Select Android resource file, and then the file name. Let's call it a rotation. Rotation. And then the resource type will be animator. Animator. But then the root element will be rotate. So R-O-T-A-T-E. Make sure you pick the right one. And the folder is an independent folder. So we got to call it ANIM. Again, this is very crucial. So please make sure you set it right. And let me click OK. So you can see that the rotation file is not created under the drawable. It has its own folder name. And then the element, you can see that the element is rotate. So let's see how we can set up the rotation file. So let me see the rotation file. Give me a minute. So the rotation file, we can set attributes like those below. So for example, from degrees. So we want to start from the 0 degrees. And then 2 degrees. Rotate from 0 degree to which degree to end. So it will be 359. And also here. Then also the duration. So let me see. Duration. Let me try the pivot point for the x coordinate. So let me set it to 50%. And then also the pivot for the y 50% as well. And then how long? How many times you want to repeat? So let's try Android. Okay, sorry, this will be repeat. Okay, count. Okay, repeat count. Okay, set it to the value of 5. Okay, and also the duration. Okay, Android. Okay, so let me use the property. Okay, duration. Okay, duration. Okay, go to 2 seconds. Okay, 2 seconds. All right. So I guess that will be all. Okay, for the rotate element. Okay, and then now okay we can switch back to the source code. Okay. Okay, so we're going to switch back to the source code.